Hamburgers are one of the most popular and beloved foods around the world. Whether you're a fan of beef, turkey, or fish, there's a hamburger out there for everyone. Making the perfect hamburger can be tricky though. You need to get all the ingredients just right. In this video, we'll show you how to make the best hamburger possible by selecting the right type of meat, breads like wheat or pita bread, and lavash, as well as adding in delicious toppings such as lettuce, tomatoes, and more. Are you looking for the perfect hamburger recipe? If so, look no further. This guide will provide all the tips and tricks to make a delicious hamburger with just a few simple ingredients. We'll go over how to choose the right bun, pickles, tomatoes, and lettuce for your patty. Plus, we'll also discuss what condiments you should use to make your burger even more flavorful. So get ready to learn how to make an amazing hamburger that will have your friends and family asking for seconds. Classic beef hamburger. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 4 hamburger buns, 4 slices of cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, and condiments of your choice. Directions: mix the ground beef with salt and pepper and form into 4 equal patties. Grill or cook the patties in a skillet over medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Toast the buns and assemble the burgers with the cheese, lettuce, tomato, and condiments. Turkey burger with avocado. Ingredients: 1 pound ground turkey, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 ripe avocado, 4 hamburger buns, lettuce, tomato, and condiments of your choice. Directions: mix the ground turkey with salt and pepper and form into 4 equal patties. Grill or cook the patties in a skillet over medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Mash the avocado and spread it on the buns. Toast the buns and assemble the burgers with the turkey patties, lettuce, tomato, and condiments. Salmon burger with dill sauce. Ingredients: 1 pound salmon fillet, skin removed, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup chopped onion, 1/4 cup chopped fresh dill, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 4 hamburger buns, lettuce, and dill sauce. Directions: cut the salmon fillet into small pieces and place them in a food processor. Add the breadcrumbs, onion, dill, egg, salt, and pepper, and pulse until the mixture is well combined. Form the mixture into 4 equal patties. Grill or cook the patties in a skillet over medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Toast the buns and assemble the burgers with the salmon patties, lettuce, and dill sauce.